Okay, I have a quick trick to get a little bit more definition to your cheekbones. I've already done this side, so I'm gonna show you this side. Take your eyeshadow brush, yes, your eyeshadow brush, the fluffy end, you're gonna dip it into your contour and just go along your cheekbone there. And it's just a little bit more precision. And it adds more shadow, which is how you want your contour. And then just add a little bit more blush. So I'm gonna go in with the blush bronzer brush, and this is Hollywood, one of my favorites. If I have not recommended it to you, well then I need to, just like I'm doing now. And just add some more definition to your cheeks. Don't be scared to use that contour, because look at the definition it gives your face.